Here are three things that people sometimes miss when they're looking at a severance agreement leaving a company. Hi, I'm Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm. We help people be fired or afraid they might be. So everybody's keyed into the money, everybody's keyed into the health benefits, which are great. Of course, those are important. But here's some things you might miss if you don't look carefully. Number one, what is your employer going to do about unemployment insurance benefits? Is it going to oppose your application? Because if you've been fired for something other than for cause, you probably are entitled to unemployment insurance benefits. It'd be nice to know what your company's position is on that. Number two, is there a non-rehire provision? A lot of times in these boilerplate agreements, there's language that says you agree not to reapply to this company or any of its subsidiaries. If it's a smaller company, maybe you don't care, but a bigger company, a multinational, they have offices everywhere. They have companies everywhere, and you might not want to lock yourself out of the opportunity to reapply. And in many cases, the companies don't much care about that language. You may be able to negotiate it out. Number three, there's often, almost always, what's called a non-disparagement clause, where you agree not to say bad things about the company. But is it mutual? Do they agree? Does your management agree not to say bad things about you, or at the very least to give a neutral reference? So those are three things to look out for when you're looking at the fine print in a severance agreement, because a lot of people leave those out and they can be very important down the road.